Good afternoon, morning at evening. Nasan pa man kayo mga suki namin tagapakinig. Narito pang ating Skip-Bo full episodes po natin. Full episode 1 po ng 3 rounds. Dati po natin itong ginagawa pero ito na yung mas mahabang upload po natin o video upload po natin. Ito po ay yung 3 rounds of Skip-Bo full episodes. 10 cards of stockpiles naman po ito. So, for the first round, let's deal 10 cards to our stockpile. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, for the next cards sa kalaban po natin, ay may dinding 10 cards to their stockpile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, we have, bilangan natin kung tama ang kanina. Okay. So, 10 na po yan. So, we have, lagyan natin dito. So, para makita po natin. Yan, sa gilid. So, let's deal 5 cards to each player. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So, yan. So, para masimulan na pang laban natin, hawakan na po natin ang cards po natin. Tulad po dati. Okay, so let's flip our stockpile, which is 10. Then the opponents have Skip-Bo card. So we have 10. The youngest player goes first, which is the player 2. So the Skip-Bo card means any number, so that is playable card. They will play 1. And so 1. Flip the next card, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 'Wala na sila may tira, kaya discard the 11. So ito ay kanina ay 1, 2, 3. So tayo na pong titira. So we have 4 dito, kaya pwede rin tira yan. So ipunin muna natin ang cards natin. Lagyan nito ang 8 dito sa gilid. Sa discard pile. So ang kalaban na pong titira, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, ayan. Lagyan po natin sa gilid. Ayan. Para ma-form ulit ang kanilang kamay. So, they have playable cards. Dito yung 1, 2, tapos may 1 ulit sila dito. So, may 1 ulit. Then, they have to discard their 9. So, our turn ulit. We have 4 cards to our hand. So, we have to draw 1 card. 3. So, the displayable card. So, we have 1 dito. 3 dito. So, we have there 2 dito at saka 4. So, we have to play this. 2. So, 2 dito sa 1. 3. 3. Tapos, we have 4 dito. So, playable yung 4. So, we have no playable cards. Pag wala na pa tayong may tirang card, discard na po natin ang card po natin dito sa discard pile. Personal discard pile. So, the player 2 turns, the player 2's turnlet, bunot sila ng 4 cards to form again their hand. Okay, 5 na yung cards sila. So, they have to draw, they have to discard again their 1 card to their discard pile. So, which is 11. So, ay titira ulit. Have to draw 4 new cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 5 na po tong cards pa natin. We need to kailangan natin ng 7, 8, tsaka 9. So, we have to discard our card 10. Discard our 10. So, tayo sila na po titira ulit. Draw 1 card. 6. So, they have to discard na naman. Magdi-discard sila ng card which is yung 9. Our turn. Draw 1 card to our draw pile. So, 3. So, may 3 natin dito. So, we have 4. So, playable lang 4. Kulay natin yan. 4. So, we need 7 para may tira yan. 7 tsaka 9 para may tira yan 10. Dalawa pa tayo 7 tsaka 9. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we need to discard our 8 dito sa discard pile. So, ang kalaban po ang titira, draw 1 card. 7. So, they need 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, kailangan pa nila ng 10 para tira na sila para may tira nila yung 11. So, diniscard nila ang kanilang 8. So, we have to draw 2 new cards. 1, 2. So, 12 and 11. So, wala tayong may tira. We have to discard again ang 11. So, kasi pag tinira natin itong 6, wala tayong 7. Pag tinira natin itong 5, 6, at wala tayong 7, malulusutan nila tayo at natitira nila yung kanilang card na 11. So, dyan, maaari sila. So, discard ulit natin ng card. 12. So, discard na pala tayo ng 11 kanina. So, the opponent's turn na pala. So, 11. So, they discard the 11. Okay. We need, kailangan natin kanina? 7. So, we need 7. So, draw 1 card. Okay, 12. So, ang tab na ito ay hindi natin may tira. So, I have to discard again this 12 to our discard pile. So, process repeats. So, 3. The playable is 3. So, they will play the card 3. The draw pile. 4. 5. So, they have 5 dito. But they need 8. So, kompleto ng cards nila. Pero kailangan din nila ng 10. So, they discard their 9. Okay. So, we have 4 cards to our hand. Yan. So, we have to draw 1. Okay, no playable card. Discard R12 ulit. Player 2 turn. Draw 2 cards. They discard their 7 dito. So, inuulit ko sa inyo, 4 building piles lang po. 4 building piles in the middle. Sa pinatitirang natin ay may tinatawag na building pile. 4 building piles, 4 discard piles to each player, and they have stock piles and the draw piles. So, our turn na po. They discard their card. So, we have 4 cards to our hand. Draw 1 card. Then, so, we have no playable cards pa rin. So, draw 1 card. Discard 1 card. So, sana makabunot tayo ng 7 man. Pero wala tayong may tira. Tsaka 9. Wala tayong may tira. Ngayon, so, discard again 1 card. Tuloy natin itong pag-discard natin. Draw 1 card. Discard 1 card. Okay. So, let's draw 1 card. Ulit. No playable cards to play. So, discard R8. Yan. Okay. Kung na-discard na po natin ang tira, so and our turn, discard R. Choose 1 card to discard to our discard pile. So, na-discard na po tayo. They draw 1 card again. They discard 1 card again. So, our turn, we have 4 cards. Draw 1 card. Discard 1 card. 6. So, the opponent's turn 1 card. So, okay. So, 4, 5, 6. They need 9 pa po. 10. Kailangan nila. So, they discard their 5. Dito sa discard pile. Discard all the cards. So, we have to draw 1. Okay, 7. So, nabunot na po natin ng 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 9. So, we have to discard our 6 ulit. So, opponent's turn, draw 1 card. 12. So this is their card. So, 4. So, this, mag-discard ulit sila ng 12. Discard ulit nila yung 12 nila to the discard pile. Okay. Usog natin konti yung mga pile sa akin. So, okay. Our turn ulit. We have 4 cards. Draw 1 card. 4. So, this is 4 is playable. So, we have to play 4. Discard our 7 to our discard pile. Opponent's turn, draw 1 card. Okay. So, they have 4. So, sisimulan na nila. They have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, they need cards ulit. So, they have 12. So, yan. So, pag ang building pile, ang isang building pile po ay nag-reach po ng 12, it is removed. O tanggalin natin ito at set aside sa gilid para manashuffle mamaya sa ibang deck. Pag naubos na po ang draw pile po natin. Pag naubos na po ang draw pile po natin, yun ang mareshuffle mamaya sa mga set aside cards na nag-form ng 12 kanina dito sa building pile. So opponent will discard their card, one card, which is yung 4. So, we have 3 cards. Draw 2. 1, 2. So, okay. 10. So, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need 9. So, okay, may 9 na tayo. 9, 10. Okay, flip the next card. 9. So, we have 5. So, 5, 6. So, discard ulit natin ang 8. So, santo dito sa atin. So, this is our ito kanina yung discard pa natin kanina. So, have to discard again, 1 card. This is yung 12. The opponent's turn. Draw 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. So, they have 11 dito. So, 11, 12. Remove the cards. Set aside dito para ma-reshuffle mamaya ulit ng mga ibang deck. Nawala na po ang draw pile runs of cards. Pag nawala na pati ng draw pile. So, 6 susunod. So, they have 5 dito. 5, 6. Flip the next card. 6 ulit. So, they have to discard their 10. Okay. Draw 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. So, 5. So, we need 7 and 8. We have to discard our 5 dito sa 10. So, ayusin natin ang po natin. Discard pile. Okay. So, mag-discard na po tayo ng 1 card. So, opponent's turn. Draw 2 cards. 2, 1. So, 6 ulit yan. So, they need 1, 2. So, 3. Kailan nila ng 1 ulit. Tapos 3. So, they have to discard 1. Discard 1 card. So, they have to 6 dito. So, yeah. So, we have to play. We have to draw 1 card. 1. So, we have 1. So, ang 1 ay playable. So, we have to play it dito. So, 1. Kabilang draw dito sa building pile. 1, 5. So, this 5 ay i-discard na po natin. So, discard this 5. So, the opponent's turn. Draw 1 card. And then, so they have 2. So, they have 2 dito. Kaya pwede na itira yan. 2. Discard their 4 to the discard pile. To their own discard pile. So, O-U-R-T-U-R-N. Our turn. So, let's draw 2 cards. So, 6. We need 7 and 8 para may tira yung 9. So, we have no playable cards there. Pero meron tayong 1 ulit dito. So, we have playable ditong 1. So, we have to play this. 1. We need 2. So, discard our 8. Ito sa discard pile. Okay, so, you have 3 cards. So, the opponent's turn, 3 cards, draw 2 cards. 1, 2. So, 2 ulit dito. They have to discard their 11. I discard their 4. That's a discard pile. Our turn. Ulit. So, we have, meron tayong 3 cards to our hand. So, plus 2 cards, 5 po. So, have 2, have 3 na dito. 3, 4, 3, 5, discard our 12. Pero lagyan natin dito yung 12 na lang dito sa may 5, 12. Okay. So, the opponent's turn. Draw 2 cards. They need 7. They need 4. So, may 4 na sila dito. So, 4, 5, 6. So, flip the next card. 3. So, they need 1 ulit. So, they discard their card. 5. Okay. So, our turn. We have no cards. So, let's draw 5 cards to each. Let's draw 5 cards naman ulit. So, we have 5, 6. So, 7, 8, 9. Flip the next card. 8. So, 6, 9. So, we have 10 ba dito? So, let's discard our 9. So, the opponent's turn. Opponent's turn, 2. So, they have to discard 1 card. 11. So, pero itong 11 nilang di-discard nila dito sa 6. Yan. So, our turn. Draw 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. So, 10. So, we have 6 dito. So, playable yung 6. So, discard po na. Itira po natin sa building pa. 6. We need 7. So, have to discard this 10. Itong 5. Okay. Opponent's turn. Draw 2 cards. 1, 2. So, okay. So, 6. So, they need, okay, itong skippable card which is any number. So, it is 1, 2, 3, flip the next card, 1. So, hindi na pwede maglagay ulit ng hindi na rin ulit pwede maglagay ulit ng panibagong building pile kasi the maximum building pile lang po ay 4. So, they discard their card which is yung 11 ulit. Okay. So, yan. So, our turn. We have to draw 2 new cards. Skip a wild card. So itong 8 na ito ang ating eliminate. So we need 7. So skip a wild card represents any number. This skip a wild card represents any number. So this is 7, 8. Okay, 7, 4. So, ito ay 9, 9, 8, o 5 dito. So, ito ay choose ko magiging 10. 5. So, ito ay 10. So, we have to, so ito ay 10. So 10 kanina ito. So, this is 10. We have to discard our 10 dito. Discard pa. So, the opponent's turn, draw 2 new cards. 1, 2. So, ito ay 11. This is 10. 11 na po to. So, 12. Okay. Tanggalin na po natin ulit to. At iset aside para may reshuffle mamaya sa ibang cards. Unubos na po ang ating draw pile. So, they discard their 7. Ito sa discard. O kaya itong 10. So, discard their card, 10. So, we have 3 new cards. Let's draw 2 cards. 1, 2. So, this is 1 playable. So, 1. So, this skip all card is playable. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 2. So 4. So 5, 6. So discard the 3. Opponents draw 3 cards. Okay, so 8. So yung 1 ang inaabot nila. So 8. They have 9, 10, 11. So they have to discard again their 10. Our turn. Let's draw 4 new cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6. So the 7 is playable. 7, we have 8, 10. So we have 8. So we have 9 dito. 9. Discard 1 card. Itong 7. So the opponent's turn, draw 1 card. 10. So it is playable. So they have to play this 10. So discard their 9. So our turn ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 cards. 5. We need 6 dito. Dito we need 6. Dito we need 8. Dito magkailangan natin ng 11. 8 din dito. So kailangan nating discard. Discard. So dito, so saan natin i-discard itong 6? Itong 7 na lang discard natin dito sa 7. Ayan. So their turn. Okay. New cards ulit. So, 8. They need 8. So, wala pong 8. They discard again the 4. 4. Our turn. 5 new cards ito. So, discard our 4. Ay, ito, 6. So, yan. So, we have to discard tayo ng 6 kanina. So, draw 8. Ay, 8 pala. Draw 1 card. So, yung 8 ang nakuha nila. So, it's playable. So, pwede na itira ang 8, 9, 10. Oops. So, wala na silang 11. They need to discard the 10 again. So we have, so the opponent's turn. 2 cards. Okay. Hindi natin kailangan gumawa pa ng 1 dahil 4 lang pwede ang 4 lang ang pwedeng building plans po natin. So, they discard 1 card, which is yung 7 ulit.
Where's my phone?
Dito pala, so sa 7. Discard nila dito. So, we have 3 cards. Draw 2 cards. We need to discard. Discard. Draw 1 card. Discard 1 card. The 6. So, discard nila ang 6 nila dito. The process repeats ulit, mga tagapanood pa natin. Draw 1 card. Discard 1 card. So, itong 11 na to ay playable card. So, we have to play this 11. So, we need to discard again 1 card. So, itong 3. So, they have to draw 1 card. So, the 8 is playable. So, they have to play the 8. Then, discard 1 card ulit. Yung 2. So, itong 2. So, discard nila dito sa discard pile nila. Personal discard pile. So, you have 3 cards, draw 1, draw 2. So, we have 6 dito. This is playable. So, 5, 6, 7. The 10 is a blocking R8. So, kailangan mag-discard dito ng card which is yung 1. Okay. Draw 2 cards. 1, 2. Okay. So, 11. So, itong skippable card is any number. So, this is 12. Discard this. Ilagay natin ito sa gilid para ma-shuffle mamaya sa ibang cards. So, this is 1 playable. 1, 12. So, they need 11. Discard 1 card. Which is yung 8. So, tayo ay may 2. So, we have to draw 2, 3 new cards. So, we have 2 dito. So, it's playable. 2. We have last card which is itong 1. So, we have to eliminate yan. So, we have kailangan natin ng 11. Discard 1 card. Draw 2 cards which draw 2 cards naman po sa kalaban. So, 11. Okay. 11, So 10 yan. So 11, 12. Discard. Then, flip the next card. 8. Ay, 11. So, they need to discard their 2 again. We have one dito. So, we have 4 cards. Draw 1 card. So, 1. So, that's the last card. The last card. So, tayo pong panalo sa first round po natin. That is round 1 po ng ating Skip Bo full episode 3 rounds. That is our round 1. We win. So, nanalo pa tayo. For the second round naman, we have to deal 5 card stockpiles. So, then this, okay. So, magdi-deal ulit tayo ng 5 cards to each player ulit. Okay. So, okay. So, okay. So, we have new card ulit na naman po. Let's play again round 2. So, let's deal 5 cards stockpile to each player ulit. So, let's shuffle again our deck. So, shuffle our deck again. Deck of our cards. Okay. So, ito na po ang round 2 po natin. This is our round 2. Kanina, in the round 1, kanina sa round 1 po natin ay tayo pong nanalo. In the next match, round 2. So, let's play ulit ng round 2 sa atin. Sa ating laro ulit natin ito sa ating video. Full video upload na po natin ito ng Skip Bo full episodes 3 rounds. Round 2 na po ito. So, this is round 2. So, shuffle our deck. Okay. So, okay. Ito na po ang deck po natin. So, shuffle na po. Na-shuffled na po. Na-shuffle na po natin ang card. Okay. So, let's deal 5 cards to our stockpile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the opponent's stockpile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let's deal 5 cards to each player. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So, let's flip our stockpile. Skip a wild card. The opponent has 9. So, it's okay. So, we have 9 dito. So, 9 yung stockpile nila. So, tayo naman po ay titira ulit. So, our turn. So, skip a wild card is any number. So, this is 1. So, this is 1 again. 2. So, this is 2 na po. So, this is 1. So, discard 1 card again to our discard pile. So, opponent's turn. So, this is 2 na po. 2. So, this is 3. Then, they have 1 dito ulit. Discard their 1 card to end their turn. Okay. So, our turn. We have to draw 2 cards. 1, 2. So, the playable card is 1. So, playable yang 1. So, 1, 2, 3. So, 4. This is 2. So, this card are 12. So, pag discard po natin ang last card po natin, di na tayo bumuno but end our turn. At bubuno tayo mamaya ng 5 cards pagkatapos ng kalaban. So, they have to draw 2 cards. So, this is 2 kanina. So, 4. So, ito na po ay 5. So, ito ay 2. So, they have to discard their card. 1 card. So, yung 11. So, we have no playable cards to our hand. So, wala tayong may tirang cards. So, wala pa tayong cards sa ating kamay. So, draw 5 new cards. 5. So, we need 6 and 7. We need 7 dyan. Dahil wala pa tayong 7, we have to draw. I discard our 10. So, the opponent's turn, draw 2 cards. So, 3. So, this is playable card. So, 3. Pwede na itira yan. 3. So, 2 ay 3. So, they discard their 10. To end their turn. To end our turn, discard 1 card to our discard pile. So, let's draw 2 cards. We have no playable cards for 5, 6, 7. We need 7. So, we have 7 dito na po. So, we have to play this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. So, this is playable. So, yung 3. So, 2 yan. So, this is 3. We have to discard our 10. We have 2 cards left to our hand. So, the opponent's turn, 2 cards. 1, 2. So, this 4 is playable. So, pwede nitir yan. 4, 5. There 9 in their stockpile. Pwede nitir yan. 9, 8. So, they need 7. Ay, 6 tsaka 7. So, they discard their 12. Ay, their 10. Dito sa discard pile. So, our turn. I have to draw 3 new cards. 1, 2, 3. So, you have to discard 1 card. 8. So, draw 1, 2, 3. So, they have to discard their 1 card ulit. So, 6 dyan. So, you need 6 dyan. Tsaka, kailan ng kalaban dito ay 6 tsaka 7. So, you have to draw 1 card. 12. So, di natin kailangan ng 12 discard. So, opponent's turn, draw 1 card. So, they need to their discard ulit. Mag-discard din ng 1 card. Our turn, draw 1 card. Discard 1 card. So, opponent's turn. So, they need 6 dito. Tsaka 7. So, nag-discard ulit sila. Wala naman silang may tira. So, meron tayong 4 cards dito. Draw 1 card. Discard 1 card. Itong 8. So, we need 7 dyan. We need 6 dyan. So, draw 1 card. Discard 1 card. Which is yung 8 ulit. So, our turn. Discard 1. So, itong 10, displayable. So, 10, 11, discard 1 card. Yang 6. Which is yang 6. So, draw 1 card. 11, discard. Itong 5 ang discard nila dito. So, yung 5. So, we have playable cards na po dito sa ating kamay. So, tayo na po. May playable cards na tayo dito sa ating kamay na. 5. So we have 6 dito. So, I have to play this. 6, 7, flip the last card, 6. So, 3, we need 4. Discard 1 card. 5. Opponent's turn. 1 card. So, itong 8 ay playable. So, play it. 8. 12. So, playable din ng 12. So, 11. So, they need 9. Wala po silang 9. So, discard their 11. Ay, itong 12 nila. Dito. Our turn. So, discard this. Remove na po natin itong nabuong pile. Which is itong 12. Manong na 12. So, tayo na pong titira. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw 1 card. We need discard ulit ng 11. So, ang kalaban ay magtitira ulit. Draw 1 card. Magdi-discard ulit sila ng 1 card. So, draw 1 card, discard 1 card. Okay, ganun din po sila. Tayo ulit titira. So, 7. So, 3, 4. Kailangan natin ng 4 dyan. So, we discard our 1 card, 11. Hindi natin kailangan yan. So, play them. So, this 9. So 9, 10, 11. So, the player 2 wins naman po ngayon. So, 1-1. Which is, ang laban na po ay 1:1. Ngayon, sino ang mga nanalo sa huling laban? The player 1 o player 2? So, tayo ay ang player 1, then our opponent is player 2. So, let's shuffle our deck. This is our final round, the round 3. So, Balasan natin ang ating deck para maghalo-halo ang cards. So, this is 5 stockpiles pa rin po. So, this is our episode 1 po ito ng 3 rounds. So, abangan nyo po yung Skip Bo full episode 15. Yan ay 10 cards po. Yan. Yan ay 10 cards po ng stockpiles. Yan. Yung 15. So, let's shuffle our deck na naman po. Okay. So, shuffle our DECK or deck. Skip Bo deck card game. So, bago po natin simulan ng laro, may maaari na po akong sabihin sa inyo mga tagapanood po natin. So, i-download na po ang Skip Bo app, mga tagapanood po natin. Then, mag-login po kayo at makakuha pa kayo ng rewards at makakalaro kayo ng online and offline modes at pati adventure mode. Then, meron din ng mga events po na pwede mong i-participate. Kaya i-download na po ang Skip Bo app para makakuha pa kayo ng maraming rules doon. Marami pang rules po doon sa Skip Bo app. Kaya i-download na po yan. So, mga tagapanood po natin, simulan na po natin ang last round ng ating skip. Pero pinapaalala ko po ito sa inyo mga tagapanood. Huwag ninyo pong kalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe po sa YT channel po natin. At maraming salamat po at naka-reach na po tayo ng 18 subscribers. At maraming salamat po sa ating maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa ating YT channel. So, huwag niyo lang pong kalimutan i-like, i-share at subscribe ang ating YT channel para lagi kang updated sa mga susunod po nating mga video uploads. Okay? Shuffle ulit tayo ng deck. So, okay. Shuffle na po natin to. Then, deal 5 cards to our stockpile. Tingnan natin kung sino naman nanalo. So, the game is 1:1. So, this is the last round. Kung sino naka-2, yan po ang panalo. Okay, let's deal 5 cards to our stockpile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, opponent's turn, opponent's card, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let's deal 5 cards to each player. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let's flip our stockpiles. 10, then 4. So, player 2 first again ulit. So, they discard their 10 dito sa discard pile nila. So our turn, mag-discard din po tayo, which is yung 11. They draw 1 card, discard 1 card. So, tayo na pong titira. So, we have 4 cards. So, draw new 1 card. 10. So, 10. I-discard na po natin ulit ang 10. So, opponent's turn. Draw 1 card. Discard 1 card. So tayo pa ibubunot ulit. 2. So, wala pa tayong playable card, discard lang po natin ang mga card natin, yung 9. Then, discard. Draw 1 card to player. So, they discard their 8. So, our turn. So, draw 1 card. So, the playable card is 1. So, 1, 2. So, you have to discard our 7. Okay. Draw 1 card. So, 2 ang kailangan natin dyan. So, they have 1 dito. So, 1. So, they have skippable card represents any number. So, 2. This is 3, 4, 3. So, this is 5. So, may 5 sila. 5, 6, 7. So, pag tinira po nila ang mga cards nila sa building pile at naubos po ang cards nila at di pa sila nagdi-discard sa discard pile nila, bubunot po sila ng additional 5 cards. Katulad ng ginawa po natin kanina on round 2. Sa round 2. So, sila na pong titira ulit. They have 3 doon. So, they have 1 ulit dito. So, this skippable card is playable. So, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. So, that is 1, 2. So, the player 2 wins in this round talaga. So, 1-2 ang score po natin. So, that is our round 3. So, dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating episode 1 po natin ng Skip Board 3 rounds. Full episode 1 po natin ito. So, magkita-kita po tayo sa full episode 15 po natin ng Skip Board cards. Skip Board full episodes. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan. Kaya, wag niyo pong kalimutang i-like, share at subscribe ang ating YT channel para lagi kayong updated sa mga susunod pa nating mga video uploads. At maraming salamat po. Nakabot na po tayo ng 780 plus views na po. Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo po sa ating YT channel, mga tagapanood po natin. At magkita-kita po tayo sa next episode po natin ng 3 rounds. Skip Bow full episodes. 3 rounds, full episode 2 na po. So, these are full episode 1. So, magkikita pa tayo po sa ating full episode 15 ng Skip Bow full episodes. So, kaya mga tagapanood pa natin, huwag nyo pong kalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. At huwag na rin pong kalimutan rin na i-click ang notification bell sa ating YouTube channel para lagi po kayong updated sa mga susunod po nating mga uploads. Kaya inulit po namin, huwag niyo po rin kalimutang mag-download ng Skip Bow Skip Bow app po natin. Yung Skip Bow app, i-download na rin na po para makalaro kayo at may makalabang kayo sa online at offline. Then, makakuha kayo ng mga awesome rewards katulad po ng golds. Nakukuha mo ang golds sa paglalaro ng online. Then, sa online mode, meron ka lang pong 20-second limit na ititira. At kapag naubos ang tira mo, automatically na i-discard ang random card mo. So, habang tumitira ka, at kunyari, tumira ka, magre-reset ulit ang second time limit mo ulit, magiging 20. So, kaya, sa offline mode naman, hindi kayo magsasawang maglaro. Then, meron po kayong option doon, 5 cards or 10 cards. Then, select your number of players na gusto nyo. Then, sa adventure mode, ganon din po. Collect the free rewards every 1 hour. Then, chapter 1 hanggang makakulit ang bagong new rules. Then, meron, at mag-participate na din po kayo sa mga events ng Skipbo. At syempre, meron na rin pong gift code. I-type lang po ang correct gift code at makakuha po kayo ng additional rewards. Kaya mga tagapanood pa natin, maraming salamat po. At magkita-kita pa tayo sa next episode po ng Skipbo Full Episodes. Kaya, inuulit ko, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. At huwag na rin na pang kalimutang i-hit ang notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga videos natin. Kaya magkita-kita pa tayo sa next episode ng Skipbo Full Episodes. Bye-bye!